A God WOD this. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. In Jamaica, you have one saying, we say, when not dead, not dash it away. But in Jesus, all when you see death, no give up, because I don't necessarily deso it done. Yeah, today, I'm going to read from the book we name Acts, chapter 20, from verse 1 to verse 12. After the ale and powder house in the city settled down, Paul sent for the believer them. Him talk to them and help them to turn up strong in a what them believe. And then him tell them bye-bye and left to go Macedonia. After him pass through that area there and talk to the believer them and help them turn up strong in a what them believe, him reach a Greece where him spend 3 months. But cause the Jew them did set up derricks for kill him, when him did a sail go Syria, he make up his mind to go back to Macedonia. And Sopater, Pyrrhus boy picnic from Berea, Aristarchus Secundus from Thessalonica, Gaius from Derbe, and Timothy, Tychicus, and Trophimus from Asia go with Paul. Them did go before we and did their chores and wait for we. So after the Passover holiday, we sail from Philippi, and it take we 5 days to reach our Troas and join the one them we did a wait for we, and we stand there for 7 days. Pan the first day of the week, when we gather up for broke bread, Paul start talk to the people. And causing the plan for left the next day, Paul preach till middle night. Now, whole heap of lamp did in the room upstairs where we did have the meeting. And one young man named Eutychus did a sit down on one window. And when Paul did a preach, he drop in a one deep, deep sleep. Indeed, still in a deep sleep when he dropped through the window from the 3rd floor. And when them pick him up, him dead. But Paul go downstairs and threat out himself over the young man's body and hug him up. Then he said to the people where the dead say, "Who don't know about that ball? Him still alive." Then Paul go back upstairs, and after him brought bread and eat, him talk with them for one long time till daylight. After that, him left. Some of the believer them follow the young man go him yard. Him did alive, and them did well happy. A God WOD this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.